Welcome back to Self Love, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to Self Love. So in today's video, as you guys could tell by the title, I'm going to be doing homemade soaps. If you guys didn't know, that is actually my business. My business is called Self Love by Vane, and right now I'm doing homemade soaps. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it with you guys here so you guys can see the process that I'm about to start. So yeah, I'm really excited, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry if I look a little not the great, like my hair doesn't look the greatest, but I have to have my hair up, so I just put it in a bun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys would like to follow my business, my Instagram will be right here and down below in the description. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to start off with putting the shea butter soap base. So I cut it up into little cubes and I just have it in this little glass beaker, I believe that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and just mix it until it's all the way warmed up. So it's all warmed up now, as you guys could tell. So what I'm about to do is add an essential oil that are right here. Let me see which one this one I want to use, lavender. So I'm gonna put some droplets in here. So I'm gonna put some droplets. Just gonna mix it around. So I added some lavender buds at the bottom, and then I'm gonna put the soap on top. So this was the first batch that I showed you guys. The only reason why I wasn't able to show you guys that many things is because I realized that it's very difficult to record, especially with me doing it by myself. So this was the first batch. I put lavender buds, lavender essential oil, and the color, it's kind of like a light purple, kind of light bluish, and I used this food coloring. So yeah, that's the first one. I've been having it under the fan so it could hopefully dry quicker. And these were gonna be soaps as well, but I didn't have enough soaps for this first batch, so I just left those there. And this second batch was a little bit messy. I don't like when I do it like this, but this is the second batch, so hopefully by the time it dries, it looks a lot better. But I put rose buds, and the color was supposed to be a pinkish, but I ended up putting like this apple color, which made it kind of orangey or like tangerine color. So then I mixed it with this rose color, which I should have done in the beginning, but that's okay. So it's like a kind of weirdish color right now, but hopefully by the time it dries, it looks a lot cuter than what it does right now. But that's okay. That's the point of starting a business from the beginning. It's like you're not always gonna like exactly, or it's not gonna always be perfect to how you like it, but I'm not trying to let it get to me. I'm just working through it. But yeah, these are the two batches. I think I'm only gonna do 2 batches today, so yeah. So guys, I wanted to show you guys this one because this one's all dried up. Look how pretty it is. So this is how the soaps came out. Obviously, I still have a lot of learning to do to perfect these. This is the first time me using a heat gun, so it's kind of messy in the corners. But let me know what you guys think of my first official batch, well, pre-batch, before I start selling.